How to see Messenger logged in devices. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to see Messenger logged in devices. So watch the video till the end. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Messenger application on your device. Log into the particular account. Now tap three-line icon at top left corner from the home screen. Here, select gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down. At the bottom of the screen, you will see More in Account Center. Select that. Under Account Settings, select Password and Security and select where you are logged in under Security Check section. You need to select your Messenger icon or the Messenger account. And here under Login on other devices, you will see every devices where you are logged in. If you wish to select the devices to log out, tap on Select Devices to log out, and then you need to check mark the option in this way. Once you are done with that, you can easily tap on the logout button at the bottom of the screen and then tap the logout button. This helps you to keep your account more private and safe. So that is how we can easily see Messenger logged in devices. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.